Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, and it's easy to get drained by the demands and stresses that come our way. But what if you could reclaim your energy and live life to the fullest? Today, I'm here to share with you the steps to restore your wasted energy and unlock your true potential. Identify the drains. The first step to restoring your energy is to identify what's draining it. Is it negative relationships? A toxic work environment? Or perhaps social media comparison? Whatever it is, acknowledge it and take action. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential to restoring your energy. This includes getting enough sleep, eating nutritious food, and exercising regularly. When you prioritize your physical health, you'll start to feel more energized and focused. Set boundaries. Learning to say no is a powerful way to protect your energy. Don't overcommit yourself or take on too much. Set healthy boundaries with others and prioritize your own needs. Focus on what matters. What are your priorities? What truly matters to you? Focus on those things and let go of the rest. When you align your actions with your values, you'll find that you're more energized and motivated. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness can help you stay present and focused, reducing stress and increasing energy. Try meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to help you cultivate mindfulness. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you surround yourself with and the things you expose yourself to can greatly impact your energy. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift and support you, and avoid negative influences. Self-compassion. It's okay to take breaks and rest when you need to. Practicing self-compassion and allowing yourself to recharge can help you come back stronger and more energized. Restoring your energy is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. Every day offers a new chance to reclaim your energy and live life to the fullest. Make conscious choices that nourish your body, mind, and soul. You have the power to restore your wasted energy and live a life that's filled with purpose and joy. Take control of your energy, prioritize your well-being, and watch your life transform.